Welcome back to Neverblora Homestead. My name is Raul, and as you can see, the bees are out in force today. I haven't opened this hive since November last year, so I thought with a nice day today, which is it's about 70, a little bit of a breeze but not much, that today would be a good day for the first hive inspection of 2020. And looking at how many bees are here, I'm so excited to get in. Wow, that's looking like a healthy hive. One of the things I wanted to check was how urgent it is to get a new hive body on here, a new box on top. And I'm looking at this and I'm thinking it would probably be a good idea. This end frame is still empty. Okay, so this is a this has just got honey in it. You can see those these cells that are all closed, those actually have honey in them. And I saw someone doing a dance here earlier, so it looks like they are definitely in the mood for pollen and all the rest of that. So that's good to see. Alright, lots more pollen over here, a bit of honey. Let's see what's on this side. Lots of pollen and nectar on this side. Oh, and there's the queen. Can you see her? Right in the middle there. Over there. Do you see the queen? I don't see any eggs yet, but seeing the queen is obviously it's a good thing. Well, let's have a look at some of these other ones. Maybe I'll see some eggs in the other ones. No, if I remember correctly, she was on this side. I'm not seeing her right now. Wait. No, that's not her. Oh, there she is. Can you see her again? Do you see her? She's right here. Over here, sweetie. Over there. Do you see her? Yeah. Nice and big. All right, let's close everything up. I'm happy. They are looking fantastic. This is a lovely colony, but I do need to I need to make that other box. I need to make another deep super or brood box rather, to go on top of this one so that they can expand up. But that all in all is looking good. I'm very happy. Yep, that's what I'm doing. It would be great to get these frames out and clean them up a bit sometime, but that's not necessary. Yep, no, I know, it's okay. All right. Well, thanks so much for joining me today. This has been a great hive inspection. I'm so happy you found the queen bee quite easily. There are tons and tons of bees. There's tons and tons of brood. So she's laying well. They are expanding well. And what I need to do next is build another brood box and put it on top so they can start expanding their hive up. And that's all from me today, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.